Yanis Paulina, you're doing well with Greek, my friend. Take my hat off. Oh no, I don't know how to speak in Greek, my dear. I'm very sorry for that. Not at all. Not even to understand your language. I'm very, very, ano, how to say that? I cannot understand very well because I don't have plan to learn your language. I'm lazy to learn. Ayan, Lokran467, thank you for coming and good evening to you. Dancer Sir coming from Lorcan, thank you very much. Yes, I don't have as long as I can communicate with them in English, that's enough for me. But to learn your language, no, no plan to learn. Ayan, thank you sa pag-share, Lorcan.